Types of computers. Computers come in many shapes and sizes. Big in size. They kept on desk or table. They are most popular offices and home. A modern desktop computer has a minimum set of parts. Base or tower main part of computer. Mouse and keyboard. Used of input. Monitor is used to view output. Small in size. It can be kept on our lap. It can be carried around easily. Its user can fold the laptop along its hinge for carrying. It is personal mobile computer. It is used most of the time by tapping finger or a stylus on a touch screen. It is bigger than mobile phone, but smaller than laptop. Its functions are movies, maps, games, play music, websites. Smartphone is a mobile phone. They work as a computer, but a mobile device is small enough to fit a user's hand. It lets you make phone calls, messages, store phone numbers,